lesson for the year, and we're going to be learning how to add resistors in parallel. So I chose to use the same resistors as last homework assignment. That will help you out because you already have them done. So we have a very similar problem. You see it right here. We have a circuit. It's got resistors. They're in parallel. It's a 6-volt battery. So 3 resistors, and we know what those are. We did them last class. And so I'm going to draw that circuit. So I'm just going to draw there's a battery. We're going to have now in parallel, means there's 3 separate branches. There's R1, there's R2, and we have R3. Okay, so there's a very similar but different circuit from last assignment. Whoa, get my mouse going here. It's kind of tough. And we know this is 6 volts. And we know these answers from last class. We did all the work with the colors. And so we know resistor number 1 is 22 ohms. And we know resistor number 2 is 3,500 ohms. If you get these wrong, I would try them again. We have a test next class. You want to be good at these. And we know resistor number 3 is 76,000 ohms. It's tough with a mouse. Ohms. Okay, now we're going to add them up, and this is where it gets a bit tricky. So to add these up, in series, we just add them straight up because they're all in a line. But here they're not. So the formula is going to be 1 over R1 plus R2 plus R3. And so that's the formula for this. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in. So it's going to be 1 over, big long line there, R1 is 1 over 22 plus 1 over 3,500 plus 1 over 76,000. So a little math here. By the way, these should be 1 over 2. So 1 over that, and 1 over that, and 1 over that. And so you can do this as fractions. So just 1 divided by 22 plus parentheses 1 divided by 3,500 plus 1 over 76,000. And then you need to take that small little decimal and do 1 divided by that. Your answer should always be very close to the smallest number here. So your answer should be very close to 22, maybe some 21 or so. And so when I do this, I do the math, and I add up this plus this plus this, and a very small decimal, and then 1 divided by the very small decimal, I end up with an answer of 21.86 ohms. That's what I got. So check it out, see what you get. And then finally, for Ohm's law, we know that current I is equal to voltage divided by resistance. We know the voltage is 6. We know the resistance is 21.86. So for current, we do the math, and we get a number right around 0.27. Okay, hopefully this is helpful. Have a great day.